Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of turning on auto download for audio files in WhatsApp Web. By enabling this feature, you can automatically download audio files in your chats for easy access. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the WhatsApp web interface. Step 2. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access the Settings menu. Step 3. Within the Settings menu, click on Media Auto Download to manage your media download preferences. Step 4. In the Media Auto Download settings, locate the option for audio and check the box next to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn on auto download for audio files in WhatsApp Web and have your audio files automatically downloaded for convenient access. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.